Dylan, did we go to the museum today?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I take picture.
What?
I want one picture.
You don't want the picture taken?
No.
Okay, I won't take your picture. What was your favorite thing at the museum today?
Well, not the butterflies.
Not the butterflies?
No.
What was your favorite thing?
Dinosaur.
That's not a bad person gas here either, though.
No.
Huh? What was your favorite thing?
Is that why you had me come here? No.
It's just dropping everywhere this weekend. It's dropping everywhere this weekend.
What?
It's going down everywhere this weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah. What was your favorite thing?
Looking at astronauts.
Looking at astronauts.
Mm-hmm.
What about the dinosaurs? That
What
too?
about the sailboat?
Remember the sailboats? Did you like those?
Yeah, but I drive my sailboat.
Yeah, you were driving your own boat.
And just go to the side.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You look pretty tired. Where are we going? Huh? You going to my house? You can't even talk, you're so tired, huh? Dylan. Dylan. Hey.